Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the basic features of Airtable and how to use it for your project management needs. Before we dive into the tutorial, I'd like to invite you to our free project management community where you can collaborate with like-minded people and access all kinds of free resources. Click the link in the description to check it out. Now let's get started with Airtable. Airtable is a project management software you can use on your web browser for free. So let's get into the sign-up process by clicking on Sign Up for Free over here, and you're going to be led to the sign-up form where you can enter your work email or you can sign up with Google. So I'm just going to sign up with my Google account. After you enter your email and your name, you're going to be led to the team section where you're going to select what kind of team you're working on. You can skip these questions if you want, but answering them will simplify the sign-up process. So let's go with sales and account management. You can add email addresses for coworkers here, but I'm going to skip that for now, and I'm going to skip this and go right to my home page. The home page is your base where you can see your different workspaces. This is your first workspace. You can add more from the bottom left over here. The Interfaces tab here is where you can design your interface to have a better understanding of your workspace. This feature is relatively new and will be more useful in the near future, but feel free to try it out. So our first order of business is to go into the template section where you're going to find different templates to get started with. You can pick the one you want and start customizing it. Let's say we're doing marketing over here, so we'll look for templates related to marketing. You can just select a template and get started, or you can create an empty workspace for complete customization. For this video, I'm going to start off with a template to show you how it will actually look once you enter your own data. So let's use the marketing campaign tracking template. We'll open it and click Use Template, and now you can create a new workspace to add this to. Since I only have one, I'm just going to add this base to my existing workspace, and now you can see this is a totally different space for my actual project. Everything has been very simplified. Over here, you have a basic little setup. Now you can close the site application over here, and on the left, you're going to see a basic table. You have your All Campaign section, you have a Gantt view, and you have a basic dashboard below with a Create section where you can start creating different views. So if you want a timeline view or a gallery view, you can add them from here. After that, you have your second list, which is called Add Sets, where you can see different add-ons. Each little item over here that you place is called a card and can be customized. Next, you have your Results section. In the template, it looks like an Excel sheet, but you can change up the view. We'll add a Kanban view for this one. Once you set your view, you can select a grouping field, which is how everything will be categorized. Then, you're going to click on Done over here, and now you can see everything in the Kanban view. If you want to try a different view, say a timeline, you can go there and click on Timeline and select everything you want to have included, then click Done. Because this project doesn't have a lot of due dates, there isn't much to see on the timeline, but you can see that you can add different views to a list. After that, you can add or import new tables from Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, or even paste from Apple Numbers, Asana, Trello, Calendar, XML, or Microsoft Access. So wherever you keep your data, it can be imported in. Now, after you have your basic workspace on Airtable, you're going to see that you can add different bases to a single workspace, or you can create a new workspace. So let's say I'm going to rename this workspace to Item 1, and all the stuff that is in Item 1 is going to be related to Item 1. But maybe I'm launching a totally different item for a totally separate business, and I want to have a marketing campaign tracking for that as well. To do that, I'll go into the Add Workspace section, and I'm going to click on New Workspace. I'm going to say Brand 2 Item 1, and this is going to help me separate all of my data. This will keep all of the data non-shareable, so you can't share data directly from one workspace to the other. This will prevent multiple projects or businesses from getting mixed up with each other. Now, on your Airtable section, you're going to go into the Marketplace where you'll find different integrations available for the software. It's a good idea to look through it to see what applications you can add based on your specific needs. If you were running a Shopify store, for example, I would suggest you add a shop table or e-commerce platform integration to make sure that all of your e-commerce needs are met. You can add apps to track time, do email marketing, and so much more. Just click on View All Apps to see a list of the applications you can integrate. Now you might be thinking, all of these features are great, but how much do they cost? Well, Airtable has 4 plans. There's the free version where you can create unlimited bases and you get 1,000 records per base. It comes with 1 gigabyte of attachments per base, 100 automation runs, and you have grid, calendar, Kanban, and gallery views. Next, there is the team version, which is $20 per seat per month if billed annually. You get everything in the free version plus 50,000 records per base, 25,000 automation runs, 20 gigabytes of attachments per base, standard sync integrations, and you get the Gantt and timeline views. The business version of Airtable is $45 per seat per month if billed annually. Here you get everything in the team version plus 125,000 records per base, 100,000 automation runs, 100 gigabytes of attachments per base, premium sync integrations, an admin panel, and a few other features. Finally, you have your enterprise scale version for large organizations. I recommend starting with the free version and then exploring the features in the paid options to see if any of them would be a good fit for your application. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Feel free to leave a comment if there are any specific features of Airtable you would like explained further or any other software tutorials you would like to see. Click the link in the description to check out our free community where we have a ton of free tools and resources available for current and aspiring project managers. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.